Hubspot Affiliate Program Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join to Hubspot Affiliate Program. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to hubspot.com. Or you can simply click the link on the description below, and you will be directed on this page in which it will show you the details about this platform. And if you don't know HubSpot, it is an all-in-one inbound marketing, sales, and customer relationship management or CRM platform that provides a suite of software tools and services designed to help businesses attract, engage, and delight customers, in which it is known for its comprehensive approach to marketing and customer management, making it popular choice for businesses of all sizes. And as you can see here, they also offer a 24/7 customer support, onboarding services, free courses, and many more. And aside from that, you could also integrate other platforms in Hubspot.com. However, on this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money on Hubspot.com using their affiliate program. And to do that, just go to this footer section of this platform and proceed by clicking Affiliate Program. And you will be directed on this page, which is hubspot.com/partners/affiliates. And below here, it will show you the overview of how to become an affiliate on HubSpot platform. And below here, you will see that it is free to join, and you can earn a 30% recurring commission up to 1 year plus 400 plus marketing asset on this affiliate program. And below, you will see here why you become a HubSpot affiliate, which is the first one, or the benefits, is 30% recurring commission, as I said earlier, and also tiered payouts, followed by 180 cookie window, in which you can maximize your earnings with a generous cookie window. And they also offer a large creative library and also a reliable support and performance reports that you can optimize your promotions on this affiliate program. And below here, it will show you the HubSpot affiliate tiers. We have here HubSpot affiliate, super affiliate, and elite affiliate. And you can see here that the affiliates start at the HubSpot affiliate tier and can level up to the next tier by referring more customers. And the more customers an affiliate refers, the higher the tier they can achieve and the more they can earn. And the commission rate for all the tiers is 30% recurring commission for up to 1 year. However, super affiliates and elite affiliates can earn additional bonuses on top of the 30% commission. And you will also see here the additional benefits or list of benefits below. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, you will also see here additional details or overview about the affiliate program of HubSpot. And below here, it will show you if you are a good fit to join to the affiliate program, such as if you are a content creator, digital educator, product integration, and SaaS reviewer. But if you're not, you could also join to earn money using the affiliate program of HubSpot. But being one of these are also advantage in joining to the affiliate program of HubSpot. Now below here, if you scroll down, it will show you how you can get started or join to the program. And as you can see, the first step is to apply to the program, and they will review your application for about 2 to 3 business days, in which you need to wait for their response. And if you're eligible to be part of their affiliate program, the next thing that you need to do is start promoting the HubSpot platform. And you can do that by using the affiliate links that has been provided by Hubspot. And after that, you can now start getting paid and grow your performance. And if you have other concerns or questions, you could also go to this frequently asked questions section, in which below here you will see some of the questions that are frequently asked, and by simply clicking on any question right here, you will be able to see the corresponding answers. For example, this question, does it cost anything to be an affiliate? And it says here that no, signing up and participating as an affiliate is completely free, plus there are no minimum sales required to earn commissions. And also the question, how do I get paid? By clicking on it, it will show the answers that the HubSpot affiliate program supports payment by direct deposit or PayPal, with a minimum balance of $10 is required before withdrawals can be made. And aside from that, you could also see here the question, what do I need to do to sign up? And you will see here the step-by-step process as well. And you could also see here the question, where can I find all the specific program details? And to see the details of affiliate program of HubSpot, you can simply click this affiliate program agreement and you will be directed on this page, in which from here, it will show you some of the details and information that you need to consider and understand before joining the affiliate program of HubSpot. We have here the customer transactions, the affiliate acceptance, the proprietary rights, trademarks, and many more. Now going back to this page, to start joining to the affiliate program of HubSpot, all you need to do is to simply click this button, Become a HubSpot Affiliate, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And it says here that joining to the HubSpot Affiliate program is powered by impact.com. So the next thing that you need to do is to simply click the sign up button, but before that, if you don't know impact.com, it is a technology platform that specializes in performance marketing and affiliate marketing solutions, in which it offers a suite of products and services designed to help businesses, advertisers, and publishers manage, track, and optimize their marketing efforts, particularly in the performance-based marketing space. So from here, if you don't have an account in Impact, just proceed by clicking the sign in button on the top right corner and start filling out all of the required information to create an account. And now going back to this page right here, just click the sign up button to proceed. And you will be directed on this page, in which it will show you the HubSpot contract terms, in which this is also one of the things that you need to consider before joining to the affiliate program of HubSpot, in which from here it will show you the payout details, the schedule of it, and also the qualified referrals, in which the credit policy is last click, and for the referral window, it allows referrals from clicks within 30 days. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, you will see other policy and contract terms that you also need to understand before joining to the affiliate program. And after understanding or considering some of the things or details, info about HubSpot affiliate program, just proceed by clicking the accept button to proceed. And from here, you can sign up and start earning using your Apple ID, Facebook, Google, Twitter, LinkedIn, but I'm going to choose to sign in using my impact.com account. And from here, after signing in, you will be directed on this page. And from here, all you need to do is to scroll down until you find the very bottom button that says, I approve the contract and want to continue. And upon clicking on it, it will show you in here that your application is pending review. And if you got accepted as an affiliate of HubSpot, you will be able to see here the link on the right side panel of it, your tracker links, in which you could also use it in promoting the HubSpot platform. And you can do that by simply attaching the link to your profile and also to your Facebook posts, Instagram posts, and even to your Twitter. And in terms of commission, you can track your earnings in here, such as your total pending, earnings, and balances. So that is just how you can join to HubSpot affiliate program. Thank you.